Hey everyone, Kevin here on the Robo Hospital, and here's another V2 sent in by Glenn. This is a 3rd gen black that has some issues. The only issue that was known was that there was something wrong with the position sensor, and last minute I was told that there's something wrong with the neck, not wanting to turn from time to time, and of course I was not aware of this. Apparently the leg appears to be busted over here, and I don't think that really happens shipping. It seems to work from time to time, but tends to become unresponsive, and also needs a good cleaning.
Self-diagnostic initiated.
Nope. Well, there he goes now. Yeah, I think the hip is probably busted.
Self-diagnostic initiated.
Oh yeah, definitely busted. Okay, that's not good. So yeah, there's that. Well, gonna start on this one tomorrow, so stay tuned for more and see this guy going from this all dusty and dirty and not functional, all the way to being looking somewhat brand new and functional. Stay tuned for more.